Welcome back to the Travelling Bear with Stu Bear channel. On today's video, we're in Hampshire on the south coast of England on the Caravan and Motorhome Club's certificate location site. It's a perfect area for cycling adventures together with fantastic walks, and it's also perfect for dog walking along the beach. So let's find out where this great location is. It's just to the west of Milford-on-Sea and on the very edge of the beautiful New Forest. We find this campsite, Taddiford Farm. All of the links for this site are underneath the video, but they have electric hookups and a couple of hard-standing pitches. They have water filling, chemical toilet emptying. If though, like me, you're in a motorhome, they do ask you to use the second entrance next to the house. It's down a gravel slope, which we will see in just a moment. As mentioned, it's a perfect area for cycling, and we followed the coast roads along tracks and also along the promenade heading to Bournemouth. We were here in October when it's much quieter. Had a stop at Harry Ramsden's for the best fish and chips overlooking the beautiful beach. On another video, I will show you more cycling, including the New Forest with beautiful relaxing music. Right now though, enjoy some scenic drone videos from the campsite as we listen to Hector Gabriel and his song, The Heart of Jesus.
Wandering and fading, I know there is something more than this. I think I am ready for doing some changing. Oh God, there is something more than this. You can have all the world. I wanna be a shining light, shows through the darkness, a fire burning in the night. Be a hope for the world so broken. Be a friend to the lonely, the joy that he showed me. Make the broken things new. Yeah, the only hope for you and I wanna have the heart of Jesus. Yeah. Cries of the broken, I know they were made for more than this. I see all the fire and smoke, and their hearts are losing hope. Yeah, I know it's hard. I wanna be a shining light, live a life that shows through the darkness.
With the sun setting on this video, until next time, keep watching, keep enjoying, keep subscribing. But from Teresa, Jasmine, and of course my good self Stu Bear on the Travelling Bear YouTube channel, it's bye for now.